My name is Ashish Khare and again welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I would like to talk about my teamwork, team strength, how if we can work together the result will be awesome, right? So today I would like to talk about in this area like we had a team challenges, right? And we had a 7 days discipline challenge um, for the stat, right? So we have found our teammate. We found our teams like size was four: Anvesh, Ashish, Akshay, and Shupriya, like Jhansi ki Rani. And we have done. We have scored nicely. Like we have scored 70 plus in whole day, right? So we enjoyed lot in this period, and we pushed each other to do the things in rightly. We pushed each other to do the content writing or doing great things, right? Whenever someone is getting some problems, like someone is coming, like if suppose I am having some problem, so the guys were asking like, hey, where is your video, uh, when what did you learn today, or what did you learn, like that the questions were asking, and we were enjoying like anything in our group. So it was a group like we have created one family kind of things, and we mingle with each other, and this is the called of team strength. And what was happening in the background, like in our team, like uh, suppose what was suppose I am delaying to upload the video because of some circumstances and all. So the guys were waiting for me, like hey, when will you upload the video, and that frames really nice, right? So I feel very happy to found this group. uh, Everyone is so talented, so very much talented, and yes, the teamwork, it is whatever we have done, this is effort of whole team and as an individual also. But yes, the motivation comes from each of you guys. You guys has done tremendous job. I would like I would like to definitely you will get some good position in your career. Best wishes for you guys. Always keep smiling in your face. Always do your best whatever you are doing. Just be make one quote like in your mind: never give up. Whatever the problems coming to you, just face it with happy face. And if you feel like happy, then everything will be happy. As we are learning in day by day process, like we are legend and we are successful person. We can say in front of anyone. We don't need to say anyone. We will prove them like, yes, we will do something extraordinary things which other people can't. So in this attitude, be your life, and with fullest whatever you want to achieve in your life, you will get it. Definitely you will get it. So best wishes for you guys, definitely. Yes, one last but not least, I would like to add, like Anvesh, Akshay, and Supriya. Uh, you guys are really amazing. Thank you for uh, thank you for the part of my part of our group. Thank you all.